Hey, what's going on, YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. I know ya. Wait a minute. What's going on? Okay. I tried to stand up, let y'all see my shirt, but I got other properties going on right now. So let's see here. Minimize this. Take you to what I'm working on right now. Now check this out. I did a mock-up of just the rhinestones that I auto-filled into this design. So just the rhinestones. And this is what it looks like pretty much. Not bad. Not bad, but I need to clean it up so much. I really do. Let me go back to page 1. Zoom back out. And I'm going to zoom into this area over here. And what we're about to do right now is we're about to go into hyper mode and clean up this design so we can get more detail. I don't know where I want to start. Let's just start here on the money. Now for the money, I'm going to just go ahead and delete all of this. Move this stone right here, right into there. And then I'm going to just grab it, drag it, and I'm space bar. I let go of this, I let go of my left hand click, and I'm going to drag it again. I'm going to do space bar, maybe let it go here. Drag it again. Space bar, and then let it go. Boom. I'm gonna grab all of these stones here. I'm gonna just recreate that line that was represented right here. Use my equal space tool or replace the stones to make the spacing equal. And I'm gonna add in some more stones in that row. Boom. Might want to add a couple more. We're working with SS6 stones, so yeah, let me add a couple more. Boom. Shift, clear the path. All right, I'm gonna Control S and save my work. Now from here, I'm gonna grab and drag this stone here, right click to make a copy. We're probably even gonna put a stone here just to finish off that curve. I'll start right here, holding shift. I'll select all of these stones in this row here. Equal space them, add a stone, add a stone, add a stone, shift and clear the path. Boom. Control S, remember to save your work. I like to save my work after every change that I do. Right here, I see this line right here. Let me go ahead and complete that one. I'll grab and drag, space bar, space bar, space bar, and then I'll let go here, like so. I'll probably grab 4 in, hold shift. I'm holding shift as I'm clicking each stone in the row for the line that I want to create. I hit equal space, replace stones to make the spacing equal, and then I add a stone, add a stone, add a stone, add a stone, shift and clear the path. I deselect and Control S, save your work, folks. Save your work. Oh, my water gone. Okay, so It's so much to complete in here. I'm just zooming in to see what I want to do next. I'll go ahead and do this line right here. I grabbed it, dragged it, right click, made a copy. I'm about to hold control and bring it all the way over to this side and right click and make a copy as well. I'm holding shift because this stone was still selected. I'm holding shift, selecting this stone, going to my edit tab and fill between two. Shift and clear the path right there. Deselect, Control S. Let's do it again right here for this line here. I just moved this stone up just a little bit to fit that line. I'm gonna hold control. I'm gonna drag it over and see what happens. Okay, so it's right there. That's not bad, but I'm gonna hold control again and bring it up just a little bit so it fits the line. And I'm gonna hold control again, drag it over to here, right click to make a copy. Now I got those 3 stones there. This stone is still selected. I'm gonna hold shift, select this stone and that stone, and I'm gonna equal space. Boom. Add a stone, add a stone, add a stone. Boom, 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 boom. Add more stones, 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 stones. Zoom in. Let me add one more stone, shift and clear the path. So that looks good. I'm gonna deselect, Control S and save my work. Okay, so now this process here that I'm showing y'all now can take some time, especially if you're redrawing all of these lines. So I just made a copy, made another copy. I'm going to select this one, hold shift, select that one, fill between 2 on that line, shift and clear the path. So I'm just redrawing all of these lines that pretty much are not touching. And it's so simple because most of them are straight. So I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to move this one here, right there. Hold shift, select that one, and fill between 2. Pretty much on that line. Looks good. Shift and clear the path. I'm going to hold control now. And I'm going to drag this line over to this line. Okay. Didn't work like that. So I'm going to Control Z it back. Let's just hold control, grab this first dot. As I was holding control, as you can see, it dragged it straight over here. I don't want it over there. So I'm not going to hold control. I'm just going to freehand it to here because I know I want it to be here. I can even drag down a ruler. Boom. Bop. And the ruler will show me like that it needs to be, it would be here. If I was dragging it straight over, it would be right here. But I needed it right here. So I can go click, hold shift, click on that one, fill between 2. Aha. Let's -1 stone, shift and clear the path. So that looks good for me because I'm retracing these lines. That's what I'm doing. You can even grab this one, move it right here, right click, make a copy, hold control, grab this one, make it right, place it right here, right click, make a copy, grab that one. Well, that one is already selected. Hold shift, select this one, and fill between 2. Shift and clear path. Control S to save your work. I'm just fixing these lines. So right here, I'm gonna grab this one, drag it to right here, right click, make a copy. Everything else looks good. I'm gonna hold shift, select this one, and this one. And even this one maybe. Equal space. Add a stone, 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 add a stone. That looks good. Shift and clear the path. So I'm just about to do this for this entire design where I'm taking areas like this. I'm gonna hold control, see if I can get it straight over. I can. I'm gonna delete this one because that don't look right. Have it right here. Hold shift, fill between two, shift and clear the path. I'm gonna grab this one, move it right here. Now for this line here, I might grab it and space bar a stone here and another stone. I'll let it go here. Hold shift, select this one and that one, equal space, and add a stone, add a stone, add a stone, add a stone, add a stone. Shift and clear the path. Now, I'm about to pretty much do this for the entire design. For areas like this, I'll add a stone. I'm pressing spacebar as I click and dragged the first stone. I'm just pressing spacebar throughout the design to add more stones. Of course, I'm going to equal space them here in a second. But I'm just hitting my layout. Let me move this one here. Right click, move one there, and move it over a little bit. Place a stone here, here. Let's move him over. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to just connect all of these dots. Let me Control S, save my work. I'm about to connect all of these dots that I've created. Starting with these four here. Select one, hold shift. I'm continuously holding shift as I select all the dots in that row. Equal space, add a stone, add a stone, add a stone. Till it looks right. Shift and clear the path. Deselect. Now I'm about to work on this row here. Equal space, add a stone, add a stone. Shift and clear the path. Boom. This row here. Let me add a stone right here because I'm coming up from right here and I'm holding shift this entire time as I click all of these stones that's in the row. All the way to here. Equal space. Add a stone, add a stone, 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 stone. Shift and clear the path. I'm going to deselect and Control S, save my work. So as you can see, I will continuously, like right here, this one right here is easy. I'm going to grab this one, place a stone here by right clicking. I'm going to grab this one, place a stone here by right clicking. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in to fine tune it. I'm going to hold shift, select this stone. We're going to just fill between two. I knew that was going to be perfect. I minus one stone, shift, and I cleared the path. Deselect and I save my work. Now I can guarantee you, just with what I've done so far, looks better than this mock-up here. Let's dive in and see. Let's grab all of these stones here, all the same color. Boom. Mock-ups. We already have the men's and the men's t-shirt front. And we're just going to simulate stones is already checked. I'm just going to left click on the create quick proof. There's the quick proof there. As you know, it's all pink stones. I'm going to click on the shirt, drag it up. I'm going to make the shirt black. I'm going to right click on this white to give it some shadows. I'm going to grab this whole shirt, grab it, drag it down to mockup 3. Bring it up on mockup 3 and let it go. Let me change all of this pink to white so we can see it a little different. So as you can see, I fixed the bag here. I fixed the S a little bit. What else? Not much that I fixed. Oh, right here. I started incorporating the money here. Like all of this area over here was missing. It's still missing. I gotta fill it in. Let's go back to page 1. Let's see what we're dealing with. So yes, all of this area over here needs to get filled in. Even the dice. Can we tell that there's dice on this one? Let's see here. On either one of them, can we tell that there's dice? Zoom in over here. Zoom out. All right, zoom in on this side. So y'all see it. Zoom in on that side. Can't even tell that there's dice in either image. So I got some work to do, y'all. I got some work to do. Y'all enjoying this video, please smash that like button. Also leave a comment down below. I will go on to part 2 tomorrow. And I'm out.